Hello, friends. Welcome to Learning Destination. You are here with me to make your English learning easier and memorable. Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to practice English in unofficial ways. What is that in unofficial ways? Unofficial ways means that you can practice English, you can learn English practical ways. It doesn't matter where you are. आप कहाँ पर हो? Where you are. What is the situation? परिस्थिति कैसे भी क्यों ना हो. It doesn't matter. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If you are determined, अगर आपने निर्णय लिया, that you can do it. आप कर सकते हैं. You can practice. You can practice and you can learn English while at home, आप घर पे, while at playground, आप अगर मैदान में, it doesn't matter. It doesn't it, it doesn't stop you to practice English. Many occasion, बहुत बार, we want to and we plan or we carry in our mind, हम अपने दिमाग में हम ये सोचते हैं कि अंग्रेजी प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए एक निर्धारित समय, निर्धारित स्थान और निर्धारित लोकेशंस की रिक्वायर है. But today that stigma, I'm going to break it. I'm going to tell you the new ways how you can practice English and how you can make your English learning loaded with fun, with enjoyment. Learning English shouldn't be burden for you. अंग्रेजी सीखना आपके लिए एक burden या एक बोझ जैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. But it should be a fun way that you can learn English. Your approach should be different. That things I'm going to tell you here in this video. Yes, in this video, I'm going to help you how you can practice English or how you can learn English while alone. आप अकेले क्यों ना हो, आप घर में क्यों ना हो, आप कहीं पे भी क्यों ना हो, wherever you are, it doesn't matter. आप कहीं पे भी, उसे कोई मैटर नहीं करता. It's matter only that you involve yourself and you put yourself in the practice. In initial stage, प्रारंभिक के समय में, you might be facing a lot of challenges. बहुत सारे ऐसे परिस्थितियां आप सामना कर सकते हैं. But if you are determined to learn, determined to speak in English, nobody is going to stop you. That's the message in this video. How you can practice? आप कैसे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और आप कैसे अंग्रेजी सीख सकते हैं? That's I'm going to tell you in this video. Dear my friends, instead of focusing only on grammar or instead of focusing in external sources, अब बाहर की sources से, it's better that you utilize your time and your skill in different ways, in creative ways. Okay, are you with me? Let us practice. मुझे सुनना नहीं है. I don't want to listen. मुझे समझना नहीं है. I don't want to understand. क्या हुआ? What happened? क्या हुआ? What happened? Where are you? Where are you? आप कहाँ पर हो? Where are you? आप कहाँ पर हो? Are you here with me? क्या आप मेरे साथ हो? Are you here with me? क्या आप मेरे साथ हो? No, नहीं. No, नहीं. Never, कभी नहीं. Never, कभी नहीं. Sometimes, कभी कभी. Sometimes, कभी कभी. Why not? क्यों नहीं? Why not? क्यों नहीं? Why not? क्यों नहीं? Where are you? Where are you? आप कहाँ पर हो? Where are you? आप कहाँ पर हो? Can you pick my call? Can you pick my call? आप क्या मेरे कॉल को उठा सकते हैं? आप क्या मेरे कॉल को उठा सकते हैं? Tell me the truth. सच बोलो. Tell me the truth. सच बोलो. Learn to speak truth. सच बोलना सीखो. Learn to speak truth. सच बोलना सीखो. Don't be afraid. मत डरो. Don't be afraid. मत डरो. Don't be afraid. मत डरो. Don't tell lies. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't tell lies. झूठ मत बोलो. Look at me. मेरे तरफ देखो. Look at me. मेरे तरफ देखो. Listen what I am telling you. Listen what I am telling you. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो सुनो. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो सुनो. If not, अगर नहीं. If not, अगर नहीं, I'm gonna going to finish you. मैं आपको दंड दूंगा. I'm gonna going to finish you. I'm gonna going to punish you. मैं आपको दंड दूंगा. Don't be clever. चालाकी मत दिखाओ. Don't be clever. चालाकी मत दिखाओ. चालाकी मत दिखाओ. Life is a journey. ये जीवन एक सफर है. Life is a journey. जीवन एक सफर है. Why don't you learn every step in your life? हर एक कदम में आप क्यों नहीं सीखते? Why don't you equip yourself? Why don't you equip yourself? आप खुद को क्यों मजबूत नहीं करते? आप खुद को क्यों तैयार नहीं करते? अंग्रेजी बोलना आसान नहीं है, ये आप सोचते हैं. You think that learning English is difficult. You think that learning English is difficult, but it is not difficult. कोई कठिन नहीं है. When you practice, जब आप practice करते हैं, when you learn, जब आप सीखते हैं, when you continuously speak, जब आप निरंतर बोलते हैं, when you speak continuously, जब आप निरंतर बोलते हैं, when you write, जब आप लिखते हैं, when you listen, जब आप सुनते हैं, when you read, जब आप पढ़ते हैं, when you face, जब आप सामना करते हैं, when you face, जब आप सामना करते हैं, when you determine, जब आप निर्णय लेते हैं, when you determine, जब आप निर्णय लेते हैं, अंग्रेजी सीखना आसान हो जाता है. Your journey of learning English become easier. Your learning of English becomes easier. But किंतु if you don't practice, आप अगर practice नहीं करेंगे, if you don't affect you, आपको अगर कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, बिना practice से आप अंग्रेजी सीख नहीं सकते. Without practicing, you can't speak in English. Without practicing, you can't speak in English. These are ways, or this is the way on the way that you can practice English. If you like, if you've learned something, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.